So guys, Haven is dropping nUSD, 50 nUSD. This could worth $50. Okay, nUSD is kind of like Tether 2.0. All right. Now, in order to get this, you need three requirements. So you need to have at least 25 have coins into your MyEther wallet. Okay. If you're holding have in your MyEther wallet, you don't do anything, just hold it there. But if you're not the have token, all you do is just purchase have token into the exchange. Exchanges like KuCoin, Gate.io, IDEX, Cryptos, Tidex, and Radar Relay. Okay, it's not yet on Binance, but you could vote that on Binance here. Okay, so the available exchanges for have token or coins is from KuCoin, Gate.io, IDEX, Cryptos, Tidex, and Radar Relay. Now going back to this post, so you need three requirements. You need to have 25 have token in your MyEther wallet, Telegram account to join their Telegram group and channel, then email. Okay, so what's the what do you call this value of nUSD? So this is like their stable coin. Because of the volatility of cryptocurrency, people tend to look for $1 forever coin. Tether's doing that right now. Tether's backed by bank, but however, there's a lot of dramas going on with Tether. With have nUSD, this could be a potential Tether 2.0. Okay, so they're trying to basically take away the volatility. They just want to stable the coin, just $1 forever. So um, in order to get worth $50, you need to have 25 have coins into your MyEther wallet. Okay, so go ahead and purchase 25 have token and transfer it to your MyEther wallet and hold it until the 26th of June, 6 days from now, London time or UTC time. Okay, and the price right now is just 41 cents, so it's still a good buy in exchange for $50. So you'll get, so you need 25, right? At least the minimum times 0.41. So you just need to like buy $10 worth of have and put it there on your MyEther wallet, and in exchange to that, you'll be eligible to get nUSD that is worth $50. Give me a second, my monitor's gone. All right. So yeah, $50 worth in your it's kind of like your investment is like $10, and after 26th of June you get $50 in return. Then you could sell it your have token after that and sell it your nUSD. Now, so they just launched the nUSD, and this is how it looks like. All right, so that's converter that have IO. So you need to have uh, either MetaMask or MyEther wallet to generate or use this. I think this is just like a beta for now. It could be live after the 26th. So let's just try it out. So let's say you want to purchase 531 nUSDs, like $1. Let's go to Ethereum. So the Ethereum price right now is 533, right? And this is their converter platform. So yeah, it's basically $1. So if you're gonna purchase 533, that could exchange to 1,200 59 halved coins. So you could convert that using um, the MetaMask is not yet functional. Let's try to do that here. This is just a beta, right? So um, nUSD is $1 forever. Okay, if the volatility is like this, nUSD is just this. If the volatility again of crypto have or any cryptocurrencies, nUSD is just like this. It's a stable coin. Okay, does that make sense? So I verified that on their official Telegram that they're really running an airdrop, and basically you could see here on their official website when you click this receive up to 50 nUSD, click that, or you could use the referral links here, and this is the page. So this is the page, right? So it basically gives you instructions, things like that. So you just join their Telegram group, and after the 26th, you'll be eligible to receive N, um, excuse me, nUSD in your MyEther wallet. Okay. This is limited to 50,000 participants only. Okay. And after that, well, basically just fill out your information, email, Telegram account, and your MyEther wallet. All right. And yeah, go ahead and do that, guys. And I'll see you guys on the next episode. And by the way, if after you signed up, you'll get a personal URL link, and you can share it to your social medias. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.